Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this episode, we will be learning how to create QR code in Canva. To create a QR code in Canva, open your Canva application or visit Canva's website and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, from the home page, go to the top left corner of the screen and tap on the hamburger menu. Now from the expanded menu pop-up, select Apps. Inside Apps, look for All Apps button and tap on it. Now in the search box, type in QR code and search. From the list, look for this QR code button created by Canva and tap on Use an existing design at the bottom. Now select whether you are trying to create a QR code for your own design or for the design that is shared with you. You can also go ahead and create a new design first and select it. I'm gonna choose existing design, so let me tap on your projects. Now select the design where you want to create the QR code on. Now in the box that appears, paste in the URL or link you want the QR code to redirect to. This can be a website, a social media profile, or any other link. After entering the link, click on Generate Code. And there you have your code generated. You can now adjust the size of the code by dragging its edges. Drag it and place it on the area wherever you want it to appear within the design. And there you have successfully generated a QR code on Canva. Once your QR code is ready and customized, click on the Share button at the top right corner and you can select the Download button to save your design onto your device's camera roll or share your link to anyone you want to share your QR code to. That is how you can easily create QR code in Canva for one of your designs. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.